this is the easiest way to make a guest account. So I would suggest creating this one as renaming this one here. So I'm going to rename this just going to rename it as depreciated because the built-in guest account does not work. So after you create a guest account by doing new user and then entering all the details in here, you also want to make sure that user cannot claim password and the password never expires. So I'm going to close that. Then once you create it, you want to go to properties here, go to member of, and you want to add guests to the member of. And then after you do that, all you have to do is switch over to the guest account that you created. You got to make sure that there's no password on it. You go to just preparing windows here as usual. But this will actually log in with a working taskbar and everything. Now, as soon as you do this, so you cannot open the logout thing here. You want to do Control-Alt-Delete. Then you want to click sign out. So do not assume that the data has been wiped. So you need to log back into your administrator account. Once you log back into your administrator account, you want to go over to files, and you see. So I'm gonna give it a temp. Continue. So do you see how it says here guest? You want to delete that file. Once you delete that file, and then go to sign into that same user. So this is what's going to happen. It's going to say preparing Windows here. It's going to give you this message that you can't. You're just going to close that. And then I'll show you that this does indeed clear. So I'm going to start with some of my data. So let's just say I want to save an image on here. So I'm going to actually go ahead and use one of my profile images. Let's say this one. We're going to save the image to the download folder. So once you save that, you're going to get that message, of course. Go to file, you're going to download. You will see the file that we have downloaded. I don't even know why it does that. So yeah, but it always seems to do it on guest accounts, that it always goes to this print thing there. We're going to cancel. And then, now you can open this up again. Do Control-Alt-Delete. Then click sign out. Once you click sign out, the data will still technically be there. But as soon as you sign into the same account again, it will actually clear the data. Kind of like a debrief software, but no, this doesn't even require reboot. So if I open up File Explorer, the image is completely gone, completely wiped. And then if we go over to the local disk here and go to users, the guest account has been replaced by this temp file thing, which means that as soon as everything, any changes have been cleared, any changes on this computer will be completely reversed. If you open up Edge again, you see how it says here, sign to sync your data? That's how you could actually set a guest account on a Windows computer. It works for Windows 10 as well, not just Windows 11. It's a really good way to create a guest account for your PC, especially if the PC is going to be used by other users who may not use it all the time, like only come and use it like when they're visiting. Just downfall is there's no time limit that you can set on on the local accounts like these. So if you want to enforce the times, you probably have to go with one of those timer boxes, and then just set the time, and it'll be tokens that you could use. They can give the amount to the user to use the computer. The downfall with that one is that is that as soon as like time goes out for those time boxes, it cuts power to the PC. So yeah, not the best one. It's just you just have to go with the fact that the guest account is just only a limited account, so you cannot actually use it as a full account. So there's a reason why you have to create your own.